Shami Kabab. 1 kilogram soaked dal chana. 1 kilogram boneless beef. 1 small onion. 6 button red chilies. 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 1 star anise. Cumin, coriander, salt, all 1 tablespoon. Red chili and turmeric, 1/3 tablespoon. 1 liter water. Bring it to boil. Cover and cook 45 minutes. Cook until meat and dal becomes tender. Stir continuously until liquid dries. 1 egg. 1/2 cup fresh mint leaves. 1/2 cup fresh coriander leaves, chopped for green chilies. Squeeze 1 lemon juice. Mix well to combine everything. Make kebabs. Can be stored in an airtight container for up to 1 month in freezer. Fry kebabs in hot oil. If you like my video, please subscribe. It was very yummy.